I actually love to cook, and when I do, I want to be able to find the things I'm looking for right away. And so I have zones in my island that I use for cooking. This is my baking side. This is where all of the things that I need when I'm baking, and they too are organized with these wood dividers. Cups here, spatulas, the pie crust maker, they're all here in this area. Also, we have some measuring cups, some mixing bowls. This one is close to the double oven, so I actually have my oven mitts here and then parchment paper, Ziploc baggies, and foil. So everything has a place in my kitchen with the drawers. I love, love, love drawers because they're so much easier to find things than like digging back into cabinets. So whenever you can, use drawers. This whole side of the island is drawers. The other side has doors. This is more like the cutlery, all of our everyday forks, spoons, some service pieces. Again, more service pieces. So yes, zones in your kitchen make everything so much more manageable, findable, and within reach.